Yeah.
Hello guys, I'm once again here in YouTube. As promised, I'm going to review my latest A330-300 paper model kit. It's an Airbus A330-303 with a General Electric CF6 engine and is operated by Finnair from the country of Finland. And it has a special paint scheme on the aft position, and it's a very good kit. The parts are well leveled, and I have also included assembly instructions for you guys to assemble the model easily. And you can find the link to purchase this kit, which I have placed as a listing in the ecardmodels.com store. You can find the link in the description. It's a well managed website or online store where you can find high quality and hyper realistic yet simple to build paper models, and the payment procedure is very easy and secure. It features PayPal payment system, which is in my view very efficient, secure, and most preferable all over the world. And the kit basically is based on my own design, and you may have found a free model of the same kit as in the colors of KLM, but that model is my old version. This Finnair A330 is very much upgraded and features many different parts that are not included on that free model. And again, you may also find an Airbus A330-200 model in the color of Nepal Airlines, which also lacks some parts that are included and upgraded in this Finnair paper model. So I would say you guys just click in the link that I have provided in the description that goes to the ecardmodels.com if you want to purchase my model. And if you want to request another livery or paint work on this model or the 200 version of this model, I am glad to hear from you. You can you can comment or send me an email with the request that you want to do on which model you would like me to paint your desired recolor. Also attach a reference photo so that I can know what will be my next project. Besides that, or apparently I am going to release a new model or in new recolor. It will be the same model but in a different recolor, and that will be Aer Lingus in new livery, registration sign EIEDY, and it will be also featured on ecardmodels.com. If you want to have that model before I feature it on ecardmodels.com, you can email me. I will also provide you have to leave a comment with your email address and I will contact you. So I hope you guys enjoy this review, and stay tuned for more. Please subscribe and have a good day. Bye bye. Signing off for now. Will be available with a new video soon.